Nestled in the Rocky Mountains, the historic town of Salida, Colorado is a place where natural beauty meets artistic expression. Known for its vibrant galleries and creative spirit, this community is home to artists who draw inspiration from the landscapes and the stories that surround them. Among them is Mary Leslie, whose paintings reflect both the charm of Salida and her unique artistic journey.
My name is Mary Leslie, and I'm an oil painter. I also do a little encaustic, which is heated wax and resin mixture.
Mary Leslie's artistic path began with murals, an unexpected start that led to a lifelong pursuit of creativity.
I've been painting for probably 35 years or so. Started with murals just by happenstance. My sister was having a baby and I was looking through magazines and just kind of noticed some murals in there and begged her to let me paint her wall, which wasn't hard. And then just kind of ended up from there painting murals for the next 20 years. And then that was in Atlanta. Moved to a small town and got tired of driving back and forth to Atlanta every day, so I just started painting on canvas.
Guided by her love of animals, Mary Leslie's work captures the personality and charm of her subjects, blending passion with creativity.
My art is inspired definitely just mostly by animals. I've always been a huge animal lover. I've always been, brought home the kittens and birds from as far as I can remember. And it's just what I'm passionate about, so that's what I paint.
Creating in Salida provides Mary Leslie with an endless source of inspiration, from the breathtaking scenery to the supportive community of fellow artists.
Salida's been great for me. There's just so many artists here, and it's definitely just leveled me up for sure. It's given me something to strive towards because there's so many good artists here, and I just want to be a part of that.
Salida's art scene is alive with energy, offering a surprising variety of galleries and talented artists whose work rivals that of much larger cities.
Salida is a very lively art scene, and I don't think a lot of people realize that come in. A lot of people that come from out of town, from Denver, out of state, are just shocked by how many galleries there are here, and just the quality of the art here is amazing.
Through humor and expression, Mary Leslie's paintings create a connection, offering viewers a glimpse into the personalities of her subjects.
I love when people come in and see a painting of these animals and they laugh because of the expressions, and I definitely pull out personality, I think, of a lot of my characters when I paint.
Every artist's journey has its challenges, but Mary Leslie believes persistence and practice are the keys to success.
Just keep pushing forward. It's real easy to start painting and think it's ugly and throw it out and give up, but you just have to push through. Keep pushing and pushing and pushing. The more time you put in it, the better you'll get.
Salida's art scene is as vibrant as its landscapes, offering visitors a chance to discover creativity at every turn. While you're here, don't miss the opportunity to visit Mary Leslie's studio and experience her inspiring work firsthand. Explore the heart of Salida, where art and community come together.